So now we are going to see hashing technique. So here, what is the meaning of hashing? Hashing is the process of mapping a large amount of data item to a smaller table. So here we are going to map the large amount of data items to a smaller tables. So hashing itself, we are going to create a hash function and we have to store the values in the hash table. Okay, so here in hashing technique we are having two methods, open hashing and closed hashing. So in open hashing we will call also as a closed addressing, and closed hashing we will call as also as an open addressing. So open hashing or closed addressing, we are having one method called chaining method. We will also call as separate chaining method. So in closed hashing we will having a, or we will call it as an open addressing. Here we are having a three techniques. Okay, linear probing, quadratic probing and double hashing. Okay, so here for all the four methods we are going to follow a one method only, that is division method. Okay, there are already three methods, but mid square method, division method, and we are having a methods, three methods we are having, but we are going to follow for our algorithms, all the four algorithms we are going to follow the division method. So first we will see what is the division method. So this is the formula, h of ki is equal to ki mod of m. Okay, so what is this, we will see. First, for example, in your exam they will give a key values and they will give the hash table size. Okay, so in our example we will take the, so k means key values and m means size of the table. Suppose in exam we are given a table sizes m is equal to 10 and we are given some values. Okay, we are going to insert this element into the hash table. So the key elements, they will give us some elements, will take 6, 27, like this we are going to take. So here we are going to apply this hash division method formula. Okay, so here k is the key values and m is the size of the hash table. Size of the hash table means like this only the hash table will be. Okay, so 0 dot 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 till, so hash table is 10, no, 0 to 9, so 10 values, so in the hash table. So here we are going to apply this formula and find an appropriate place for these elements into the hash table. Okay, so first we will calculate this. So k is 6 mod of m is 10, so 10. So what is this value, 6 mod of 10. Okay, so how to calculate the modulo, you know, think. So what is the remainder value, that will be the point here. So here what is the value, 6 itself will be coming. Okay, so next 27 mod of 10. So for this what will be the value, 7. If we take modulo of this you will get 7. So here at the position of 6 I am going to insert the value 6. Okay, so at the position of 7 I am going to insert the value 27. So at the position of 7 I will insert the value 27. So like this only we are going to insert our elements into a hash table, so that the large amount of data are going to map into a table to reduce the size of that. So that only we are using hashing technique. So first we will see the linear probing method, that is closed hashing or open addressing. In that we are going to see the linear probing technique. Okay, in linear probing technique we are using the formula inserting k of I at the first free location from u plus I mod of m, where I ranges from 0 to m minus 1. So this is the formula for our linear probing. So we will just first enter into our problem. So here in our question they will give these only. Okay, h of k value, so h of k will differ. Okay, so they will give any formula. Suppose for example they are given a formula like h of k is equal to 2k plus 3. So h of k value they will give in exam. Okay, so suppose they have given the value of h of k is equal to like this, means how we need to calculate. First we need to calculate this formula. Suppose I will take the same example. So 6 and 27 I am going to insert. So h of k value is 2, k value is 6. okay, plus 3. 6 3 is 12 plus 3. So 12 plus 3 is 15. So now h of k value is 15. So after that only we need to apply into this division method formula. Okay, wow. So h of k value is 15. So now we need to insert this value into this division method formula. So now 15 mod of 10 is equal to 5. So now we need to insert this value, that 6 into the 5 table. Okay, so here after this calculating the formula, we will insert the 6 value into the table at the position of 5. So at the position of 5 we will insert the value of 6. So this is how we will follow in your method. So here for our problem we have given the h of k value is equal to k mod of 10. Okay, so here this is the question they have given. The hash table size is 10. So I am taking the hash table size as 0 to 9. So now we will see this problem, one example, then you will understand it better. Okay, so first I will say the shortcut method for a linear problem, then we can apply one example into this formula and we can learn. Okay, so here I will write the key values and location. So location for this element, so location I will take it as u, and we are going to calculate the prob. Okay, so linear probing means, what is the meaning of probing? Probing means the meaning is searching into the table for an appropriate position to insert these values. Okay, linear means, what is the meaning? Linear means one by one, step by step we are searching into the hash table to insert the values. Okay, so that is the meaning of linear probing. Linearly, one by step we are searching into the hash table to insert these values. Okay, so here I will take the probs. So first I will calculate this value. H of k value is k mod of 10. Okay, so here I will insert this. First value is 14. So I am going to insert this value into the hash table. So first I will calculate this formula, then I am going to insert into this table. Okay, so here h of k is k mod of 10. So they did not mention any new formulas and all for that. So we will directly calculate this. K value is 14. Okay, so what is the formula we are saying? H of k I is equal to ki. I is nothing but ranges from 0 to 9. How we are saying 0 to 9? The size of this is 10. Okay, so I value is 0, ranges from 0 to m minus 1, 10 minus 1. So I value will range from 0 to 9. So that is the I value. Okay, mod of m is 10. So that only I am applying this formula in our values, to our values. So 14 mod of m value is 10. Okay, after calculating this, what will be there? 14 mod of 10 is 4. Okay, so here I am going to insert this 14 in the location of 4. Okay, that is the meaning of this. So 14 will be inserted at the location of 4. So I have inserted this value. So this space is free, I am inserted 14. So next to 20. 20 mod of 10 is equal to 0. So how before side by side we need to write the probs. Okay, so for prob, how many probs? Only one time we searched, we got a place. So only one prob for this. So next to 20 we have inserted. So for this 0. So 0 we have inserted at the location of 0. We are inserting the key 20. So how many probs? At the first search itself we got the place. So I have inserting the value here. Okay, so here I will write the only one prob. So next value is 15. So here I will write 15 mod of 10 is equal to 5. So when we calculate this, the portion of location of 15 element will be inserted. Okay, so here how many probs are taken? Only one prob. Okay, next to 4. So 4 mod of 10 is equal to 4. So now you listen. At the position of 4, we are already having a value, that is key value as 14. So now we do not have a space. So what we are going to apply the linear probing technique. So linear probing, as I said, linearly searching a position to insert the value into the hash table. So here I will search the first position at the 4. So there is no probing. So one probing is over. So next element I will check, is there any space. We should not jump to one place to another. So one by one I need to check. So next, is there any space? No. So there is 2 probing is over. So again I will check with the next value. Okay, so here, is there any space here to insert the value? Yes. So 6 is empty. So I am going to insert the value of 4 at this position, 6. Okay, this is the meaning of linear probing, linearly searching for a table to insert this value. So how many probing it took? 1 probing over, 2 probing over. At the third place only we inserted the value. So 3 probings it taken. So next insert the value 5. 5 mod of 10 is equal to 5. So again check this. So no space at here. 1 probing is over. So again I am checking the space to enter. No. So 2 probings over. Then again I am searching here. So here place is there. So I am inserting 5. And totally 1, 2 and 3 probings is needed. Okay. Then I am inserting the value 25. Again I am checking 25 mod of 10 is equal to 5. So again I will do the searching. So here no space. Again I will go to the next element. No space. Again I will check with the next one. No space. Again I will check with the next one. Then here I am having the space. So I will insert the value 25 at this position. Okay, so here first we started with 5 nodes, right? 5 position location. So 1, 2 and first we checked here 1, 2, 3 and 4 at the 4th position only. So here we taken 4 probings to insert the value of key value of 25. So next is 7 mod of 10. So here 7 is the position. So here check 7. So no space here. So next one, here I will check. So no space here. So again I will go to here 9. I am having space. So I will enter the value, key value 7, the position of 9. So how many probings it taken? First 7. 1, 2 and 3. So 3 probings it taken. So next 17. So whenever I am checking, I need to check each and every element. So 7 no space. I will not go and jump to the next place, not like that. So I need to check it step by step. So 17, again 17 mod of 10 is equal to 7. So now what I'll do, I will search the space for at the 7. So 7, here no space. Then next value, there is no space. Again I am checking the next value, there is no space. So if it is the end of the hash table, so again I will go to the beginning here. So here no space. So at the place of 1 only we are having a free space. So I am inserting the value of 17 here. Okay, key value 17 will be entered at the 1. So I started from 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here it taken 5 probing. So in exam they may ask at finally we need to calculate the probing. So I have calculated this. So in this we need to write the result. Okay, so how the values are arranged in the hash table, like that. So first value is 20 is inserted in the 0th position, then 17, then we should not write 14. Okay, there is 2 spaces, so we need to leave 2 spaces, then 14, 15, 4, 5, 25 and 7. Like this we need to insert. So now we will, one example we will solve with this formula. Okay, this is the simple technique, that is a shortcut technique for doing the linear probing. So I will do for this one value. Okay, so here for this I will do this formula. First we will check with that. So u value means that is the location. So I value, I said it will range from 0 to 9 because the size of this is hash table is 10. M minus 1 is 10. So I value will range from 0 to 9. So we will check with this u value. So I am going to calculate for this. Okay, so u value is 5 plus I value is, first I will try with 0. Okay, so mod of m is 10. So what is that? 5 mod of 10 is equal to 5. So at the position of 5 we did not have, we are having a space, right? So at the position of 5 we are having the space, so we inserted that 15 here. Okay, so again I will check for this. Okay, because 2 times repeated, no, so now we will understand this. So for 5 I will check it for the insertion of 5. Okay, so here u value will be 5 plus I is equal to 0 mod of 10. So here 5 mod of 10 is equal to 5. So at the position of 5 the value key of 5 cannot be inserted because there is already one value. So again I will increment the I value to one position. So 5 u is 5. Okay, 5 plus 1 mod of 10 is equal to 6 mod of 10. Okay, so value will be 6. So I am seeing for the value at the position 6. Is there any free space? No, there is already a value inserted 4, so I cannot insert there. So again I will check the increment the I value, 5 plus 2 mod of 10. So 7 mod of 10 is equal to 7. So now I will go and check with the 7. So here is there any space? Yes, there is a space for insertion of the value. So I am inserted the key value here. So how many probings it taken? 1, 2 and 3. This is what we have written the probing sites. So this is the example of a linear probing. So next we will see the other techniques. Thank you.